I started teaching the creative latex workshops in 2017, at a time when there was still a lot of gatekeeping around how rubber clothing was made. I really wanted to change that. I wanted to undo the stigma that often comes with this craft and trying to hear the devaluing of makers in our society. I deeply care to teach generously, and keeping trade secrets has never been my style. You can count on me to show you how to make clothes, not just a basic latex bikini. Each workshop is structured around an intensive 8-hour curriculum for a small 2-3 people group. From history to suppliers, pattern adaptation and advanced techniques, I invite you to join. Whether you've never made a garment before in your life or you're already a skilled maker looking to broaden your horizons. Come and spend a day with me in the studio. Check all dates on Eventbrite or drop us an email. I'd love to meet you.